Election Commission of India announces by-elections to 8 assembly constituencies in 6 states. The Election Commission has announced by-elections to 8 assembly constituencies spread across 6 states. The assembly constituencies are Ponda seat in Goa, Umreth in Gujarat, Bagalkot and Devanagari South in Karnataka, Rahuri and Baramati in Maharashtra, Koridang in Nagaland and Dharmanagar seat in Tripura. During a press conference in New Delhi last evening, Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar said the notification for bypolls in Goa, Karnataka, Nagaland, and Tripura will be issued today, and polling will be held on the 9th of April. The notification for by-election in Gujarat and Maharashtra will be issued on the 30th of this month. The voting will take place on 23rd of April. He said the counting of votes will take place on 4th of May. The Baramati Assembly seat fell vacant following the death of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar in a plane crash on 28th of January. The Rahuri Assembly seat in Ahilya Nagar district became vacant following the demise of BJP MLA Shivaji Rao Kardile. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.